I don't remember in which social media someone left me a comment about to bring back Oliver, and we have Oliver back. That's for Tommy Percy. But I want to share with you something real quick. I tried to access my files, but look at this mess. I could not retrieve the files from Tinkercad, so I had to go ahead and redo again. This is a different version of Oliver. Hope you can see the difference right here. The windows are covered, are not hollow, and added more details on this model. Redesign 5 hours. So it took me 5 hours to do this thing again, only because the file were corrupted, and I did not save it on my computer. Because I stopped doing this model for a long time. Always check the link in the description. That's where you can find this Oliver. So Oliver will include these two. I don't know which one you want, but it will be included two. Obviously, you need to add some primer. I'll recommend you to add. You don't have to sand these models. I showed you the other day a sample. See this face? Added 2 coats of paint, not even primer, just paint. See right there? Just paint. And almost disappeared with 2 coats or 1 coat of primer, and no sanding needed. I need to do some tests myself, but I don't have this primer at this moment. But 2 coats of primer maybe disappeared these layer lines right here, and maybe 2 coats of paint. The problem is we don't have the proper spray paint for or close enough for Oliver. I think it's apple green. Apple green is the shade that was kind of close for on acrylic paint. But I will do some test. Now look at this difference right here. This was printed in this orientation, 90 degrees angle, layer lines this oriented like this, and give me this bad result. I stopped doing this. I did not like it, but I had to redo. The good thing is someone left me the comment, so I had to redo the files again, and it's a little different. Yes, a little different. It's better, stronger. Tabs are glued, but I'm working on something, and actually I'm 3D printing this model again. I did a kind of housing. See if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it right there. I did a kind of housing for the tabs to slip in right there, and we just add a little bit of glue and we should be good to go. I don't want to have this to break. I mean, I did super glue. It looks strong, but I don't trust it. I have problem with the trust thing. Model needs to be maybe sanded a little bit, touch up a little bit, but hey, it's better than just cardboard things. Okay, let's look around here. It's 3D printed standard. It's not fine details. Fine detail is a little expensive. I mean, takes more time, but I need to do a primer paint test. But I'm just gonna primer it. But like I say, the model is just 3D printed, no primer, nothing at all. Needs to be sanded. Now there is another option, but the problem is the option with the resin. It's way too expensive. It gives us a smooth results, smooth finish. But the problem, I mean, it's way too expensive. It's not worth it. Let's just go ahead and continue with FDM. Yeah, I like the resin finish. It's way better than FDM. Okay, like I said, link in the description. Goes like this. Requires Percy chassis. It's Hitoy and Tomy. I do not recommend Mattel. I don't think it works for Mattel. I don't have any Mattel in hand, but anyways.